So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, then we're going to expand system, then we're going to expand current control set, then we're going to expand control, and then we're going to click on class. Now once you're on this, you want to right click on the blank space and then click on new and then click on string value. Now we're going to rename this as radio enable and click on enter. Now we're going to double click on it and then set the value data to 1 and click on OK. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on N on your keyboard. And now you want to find both of these services, network connected devices and network connection broker. You want to double click on it, change the startup type to automatic delayed start, and then click on OK. You want to do the same thing for network connection broker. Double click on it, change the startup type to automatic delayed start, and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter. Then we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset catalog and click on enter again. Next, we're going to type in netsh space int space ip space reset log.txt and click on enter. Now for the last one, we're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and click on enter. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on any service, then click on W on our keyboard. And now you want to find Wi-Fi direct services connection. Double click on it and then change the startup type to automatic delayed start. And then click on start, which will then make the service running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on R on your keyboard, which will then take us to radio management service. Double click on it, change the startup type to automatic delayed start, and then make sure that the service status is on running, and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to expand network adapters, and then you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver, and then click on search responsive drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your device have been installed. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. You want to make sure that use the following DNS server address has been selected. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. Click on OK again. Now once you do that, you want to right click on your network adapter again and then click on disable. Now you want to right click on it again and then click on enable. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.